I see myself sitting in my director's chair in a few years' time. My name's Katie, I'm 22 years old and I'm a Machine Customisation Engineer at NCMT. I began my journey at 14 years old where I moved to the WMG Academy for young engineers. In the September after leaving, I started my apprenticeship at NCMT. Alongside studying, NCMT gave me the opportunity to test the waters in different departments, and that's where I found my heart belonged to the machine customization department. So my role is to install our turnkey packages that we offer on our Makino and Akuma CNC machines. I cannot recommend an apprenticeship enough. It's a fantastic way of gaining professional experience as well as gaining qualifications. One of the biggest highs that I experienced during my apprenticeship was the ability to travel not only to customers but to different countries at such a young age. NCMT and Lynn Gray, who is the wife of the founder Jerry Gray of NCMT, personally invested in us apprentices, and for that I'll be forever indebted to. The challenge for me during my apprenticeship was that I found it quite daunting operating and modifying the CNC machinery. I felt that I went on a big journey from the first moment of pressing a single button, of training and reading a lot of manuals to gain my confidence in operating the machines. A day in the life of me changes every day depending on the projects I'm on. So a project could take a day, it could take a month, it could be based in Burnley or even Belgium. So the role of me as a machine customization engineer is to design, purchase, implement and then document our modifications that may be standard for our CNC machines or maybe a little bit more personal to our customers. Some examples of this is changes to fixturing and work holding. It could be integration of automation. They may want networking so that they can remotely diagnose the machines without even being in the factory. And these are just scratching the surface on what our department has to offer. I feel empowered to be a woman in what we'll admit is still a male-dominated industry. However, I have never experienced prejudice and there has only ever been a mutual respect here at NCMT, as well as the customers I've travelled to, not only UK but Europe as well. In the future, I see myself progressing here at NCMT. I'm passionate about the industry. I love the technology that we have to offer, and I see myself sitting in my director's chair in a few years' time. I'd like to see more women in engineering and manufacturing. I believe that we can offer different perspectives, different creativity on certain projects, maybe certain tasks, and that ultimately can only benefit our customers.